So let us discuss the modified clamper circuit, which is the continuation of the previous article, negative clamper. So let us see first what is this modified clamper circuit. Before going to modified clamper circuit, let us recollect the negative clamper which we have discussed earlier. So what is negative clamper? It is very simple circuit consisting of only two elements, capacitor and diode. So diode. So this simple circuit will introduce negative DC value into the input waveforms. That's why it is called as negative clamper. So for this, what I have said, I have given an input of VI is equal to Vm sin omega t. So this is the diode. This is the output voltage. So what we have discussed during the positive half cycle, during the first quarter half cycle, the capacitor quickly charges to Vm, positive peak, because the diode is forward biased. So during the next cycles, so the capacitor will not discharge. So therefore the capacitor voltage remains fixed at Vm. So for this purpose, due to this, during the subsequent cycles, the diode is permanently reverse biased. So therefore if you apply KVL to this loop, so what you can write output as Vi minus Vm. So Vi minus Vm. So this is what you have to write, the output equation Vi minus Vm. Suppose for this circuit, what is the input we have given? The input we have given is a sine wave like this. Let us say we have given the input say like this. So what is the output waveform? The output waveform is very simple. The output waveform is very simple. So what is this DC level? Because of minus Vm, we have to draw minus Vm here. So minus 2 Vm. So the output will settle down to this waveform. So since it introduces negative DC value, it is called as negative clamper. So this is the waveform under steady state conditions. That means if you give the sinusoidal input to the circuit after some seconds, so the output will settle down to this waveform. This waveform is called as steady state waveform. Now, so let us see, for example, if this input amplitude is decreased. Let us say if this input amplitude is decreased. So let us say what will be the output. So you can see that when the input amplitude, remember that when the input amplitude is decreased, so let us see what will happen in the circuit. So therefore, for example, let us say draw the circuit. So for example, say the output is like this. Output is like this. Say at time t is equal to t1. Let us say at a time t is equal to t1. Suppose we have decreased the input amplitude. So therefore, what will happen? So because we have decreased the input amplitude, what you will expect, the waveform will come like this, but it will not happen. The circuit will go through a transient period. The circuit will go through a transient period like this. So like this, and finally settle down to this reduced amplitude. So this duration is called as transient period because the capacitor takes some time to the reduced input value. So therefore, this duration is called as transient period. Transient period. So this is what will happen in the circuit when you decrease the input value amplitude suddenly. Now, so for example, so if you place, for example, say, now you will understand this capacitor. So what is this? Is diode. So in practical circuits, we place a resistor across diode. Remember that we place a resistor across diode. So to allow the capacitor to discharge, this resistor will allow to the capacitor to discharge when the input amplitude is changed. So therefore, this is Vi. So this is Vo. So this one is called as modified clamper circuit. For example, the same output waveform, for example, say waveform, how this waveform will come, let us see. For example, say the waveform is say like this, it is clamped like this, say this is 0, this is 0, it is clamped like this. Suppose at t is equal to t1, I have decreased the input amplitude. So then you can clearly see that the output will immediately come like this. So because of this resistor here, the capacitor quickly discharges, and therefore the circuit will immediately settle down to this new changed input amplitude. When this resistor is not there, this capacitor takes a lot amount of time to settle down to this waveform. So therefore in practical circuits, we find a resistor across diode in order to allow the capacitor to discharge when the input amplitude changes. So this is the purpose of resistor here. So this is about your modified clamper circuit. Thank you.